money penny. This shit got me in my feelings. Gotta be.
Hi guys, it's Brianna JaVon. So today I'm going to teach you how to slay your eyebrows. So if you are interested in knowing how to slay your eyebrows, continue to watch. So first, I'll just tell you the products that I use. For my eyebrow pencil, I use the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. It's this, and you get this at Sephora for about $24. And to conceal my eyebrows, I use the Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm in the color medium. And I use my Airspun loose face powder to set my eyelids. That's really not eyebrow related, but just kind of go hand in hand on how I do my face. So I already did this brow, so you guys can already see the finished product. So I'm just going to start on my other brow. So I'm going to take my eyebrow pencil by Benefit, and I'm just going to comb out my eyebrows. I usually get my eyebrows threaded every 2 weeks. My eyebrows go back extremely quick. I think I got these done a week ago, and it's already starting to grow back, so it's really irritating. But so I'm just gonna start off by just outlining my bottom brow, and I'm gonna start all the way at the front. And you want to make sure not to leave the edge of this too thick, because if you leave it too thick, it's not going to look natural at all, and it's just gonna look a hot mess. Just trust me, don't leave it too thick. So once you've outlined the bottom, I'm just going to go ahead and start on my top. But with the top, you're not going to start all the way from here, because then your eyebrows look really boxy. So you're going to want to start off from about right here, just to give it a little room so it can look natural, like I said before, not as boxy. So once I've done that, I'm just going to kind of go back in the front a little bit, just because it's a little, I'm sweating so bad, oh my god, I look horrible, but it's a little bit of it's a little bare up here, so I'm kind of just going to fill it in a little bit. Not all the way up here though, don't do it all the way up here, just in areas where you see there's not much hair. You want to just go ahead and shade those areas, and don't do too much light strokes. And then I'll just comb it out again. Okay. Now after you're done with that, I'm gonna go to my Shape Tape concealer, and I'm gonna use one of my Morphe brushes. I love this brush. I always use this to conceal my eyebrows. It literally works wonders. It gives it precision and everything. Sometimes people use smaller brushes, and that's fine too. This is just what works for me. So doesn't have a number on it. It's just a Morphe brush. It came with a whole set. I'm just gonna put my concealer on the brush. I probably use a little bit too much, but that's okay. So after we've outlined the bottom brow, I'm just going to take the excess concealer, and I'm just going to bring it down on my top lid. I'm not going to do my eyeshadow for this video, but I'm just showing it as if I, did my makeup. So usually I would, take the concealer, bring it down to onto my lid, and that would be my base for my eyeshadow. And then after I've done that, I'm just going to take my finger and then just blend it out. Your finger It's one of the best blending tools when it comes to makeup. More than you think. If you're already into makeup, you already know. I hate how dirty my hands are after I finish my makeup. It's not even funny. I'm kind of gonna move the product up a little bit. Cover up my unibrow. Okay. Then I'm gonna just do the same thing to my top of it. It is hot as fuck in here. And then the foundation will cover up all of this right here. But sometimes I like to just have another Morphe brush and just blend it out a little bit. Listen, y'all, my eyebrows are slayed. Okay, slayed, honey. So that's really it. I'm a little sweaty, sorry guys, but kind of show you the finished product. And that is how I do my eyebrows. So guys, this is the finished product. This is how my brows would look. And then straight after this, I would use my airspun powder. I'm not going to do that for a sake of this video just because I'm not going to do eyeshadow, but I'll use my airspun powder to set my concealer on my eyelid, and then I will go in with my eyeshadow. And setting this with the powder and even putting the concealer on your eyelids, it just helps to be a base for your foundation, so it'll show more, it's more pigmented, and it'll last longer. So yeah, these are my brows. Hope to see you guys in my next video. I wanted to just make this video really quick because I have not posted a video in so long, and I really want to get back into posting YouTube videos. I've been dealing with life, basically, is what I'm gonna say, and we'll just leave it at that. We'll have time later for girl talk. But thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Peace.
Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me, 'cause I want you.